Y'all see how that look right there? It's dirty. It's dirty. So we're gonna get all that cleaned up real good, nice and crisp. So I'm excited to see how this gonna turn out. Y'all see all that dirt and stuff like that. So this is the before. And I'll be back. We've been here for the last 2 years, and I know they say you're supposed to get your house pressure washed once a year. It's been 2 years and ain't nobody been here to do nothing. So we gonna see how it turn out. So I'm excited to see the new bleached, cleaned house. I've been clean on the inside, but we got to get the outside clean too. So I'll call you back, girl. I'll call you back. Y'all, the house looks so much better. What a difference some darn bleach and some water and some pressure will do to the house. Hear me? It looks so much better. Even got my railings, even though I got some paint chip right here. We're gonna have to come and get somebody to do some painting right here. But it looks really, really good, and I'm very pleased. Very pleased with it. So y'all, it is the next day, and I'm about to head out for a little bit, but I need to take this nail polish off because it looks ridiculous. I can't go no further. I can't go no more looking like this, so I need to take this polish off real quick. I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick, put on a little bit of lotion, and then I'll be ready to rock and roll. Me and the family are about to head out for a little bit, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with us for today. All right, let's roll. Oh, let me show y'all my outfit of the day real quick. Let me show y'all my outfit of the day. Got on this cute little yellow top, real cute or whatever. Got on some ripped jeans, cute little top or whatever, and some gold flats. I ain't young no more where I can lift my leg that high. I can lift it up high, but not that high. Okay? Don't come for me. Alright, so we're in AT&T store, about to upgrade. He has a, what kind of phone you got now? Huh? What kind of phone is you got now? A Droid. A Droid? Some kind of Android phone, I don't know what kind it is. Everybody will have Apple in the family except for me. I'm the only one that still has the Android. Because you got an Apple phone too, right? You got an Apple phone too, right? So you got to upgrade. What you got?
7 Plus.
Oh, he got the 7 Plus when you got for your birthday, right? Yeah, so he got his upgrade for his birthday. But oh, and that's Day Day, by the way. Say what's up, Day Day.
I thought he was Day Day.
No, you Day Day. That's Craig over there.
Why can't I be Day Day?
Do you act like Craig? You act like Day Day. Ain't got no sense at all.
How?
But you just do. So Day Day about to get the iPhone. Y'all see how tall my boy is over me? Goodness gracious. And I'm standing on all 2 feet normal. And then I got to hold my hand up all the way up like this right here. You gonna say hey?
Hi.
Hi. But yeah, we about to upgrade him and see what kind of deals and we're gonna get for him. So we'll see. How you do that there? How you do that there?
So how you do that there? Say who that? You wanna do that? Run well and get your ass whooped blue black. My nigga, my nerve fresh off the.
All right. So what we had to do, guys, is we went to the AT&T that's close by our house, and they didn't have the phone that he wanted, which was the XR or the XS. I think it's one of the two. Whichever phone, the iPhone he wanted, the latest one, I don't know. But whichever one he wanted, they didn't have in stock. So what we did was we went online and ordered it online, and then we chose curbside. And curbside basically tells you which store actually has the phone in hand. The young lady at the store, she was like, it was going to be like 7 to 10 days for them to process the order and then have it sent to the house. It was like, well, we didn't really want him to wait that long. So yeah, y'all see they back, they sleep. So what we did was we just did the curbside, and it brought us and it just popped up which another AT&T that actually had the phone that he wanted. So they're in there now picking up his phone. We had to come like 2 cities over, but we ain't doing nothing else right now at this second. So we just came to this one here to get his phone. So yeah, so y'all, I picked up this energy drink, and it's called jalapeno strawberry. Y'all, when I say this thing is nasty, oh my god, this is so nasty. As a matter of fact, let me pour this out, because it is nasty. Oh my god, it's nasty. It's it's so strong. Oh my god, like you can't even breathe. It took my breath away. So I got that one. I got that one just to try, because I never tried it before. And then of course I got the Monster Pacific Punch, and I got this one, and this one is the regular one right here. Now this one is good. Excuse me. Delicious. So yeah, y'all, so we out here in these quarantine streets, honey. All right, y'all, so whenever they get his phone and they come back and we decide next on the agenda, I'll call you back. Y'all. So he got his phone. He walked out the door smiling. Let me see your phone. Let's see your phone. Okay, so this is the iPhone, what? XR. Okay. And he got it in the color red. So now everybody has iPhones in the house except for me. Did you say thank you? Okay. So, yeah, so everybody is in the house. The house is truly divided here because I'm the only one that has the Android.
It's not divided. We just have a rogue amongst us.
A what?
A rogue.
A rogue?
Mm-hmm.
What are you implying? What are you implying, sir?
I'm just saying.
Because I choose to have an Android versus an iPhone?
Just saying. You can run in there and see Terrence. Just let me know.
Were you trying to find a controller?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Whatever he said, I don't know what he's saying. So he got the, how you gonna activate the phone?
Phone already activated. Phone already on. His other phone is off already.
Oh, okay. So we just turned that other phone in.
Yeah, you just got to send it back. Because I bought it online, he can't take it. You got to mail it back in. Like you do when they broke them and you had to get it fixed. Same concept.
Oh, okay. So they give you anything to mail it back with?
Yeah, it's the shipping label in there.
Oh, okay.
It's all that. It's in the bag.
I wonder what she doing. She painting, y'all. Y'all look what she doing. She's painting, I don't know what it is, like a tree. That's a tree branch or something.
Yeah, she's gonna paint it all up to
Huh, cool. They didn't have nothing either?
No.
I want to do any of the GameStops have. You think you can probably order it online? What is it? Is it a specific type of controller or something?
Mm-hmm. It's an Xbox One controller.
Xbox One controller. Let me see. Oh, this is cute. I'm pretty sure y'all have seen thousands of these. I'm pretty sure y'all all have these already. I'm probably just late to the game, but this is a cute phone. Hope you're happy.
Yeah.
Congratulations. All right, y'all. We in Lowe's looking for a deep freezer. And hold on one second. But yeah, like I was saying, we are in Lowe's right now trying to get a freezer. A deep freezer, because we're running out of space in our side-by-side refrigerator slash freezer. And we called up here and they said that they had them in stock, but we get here, there are none to be found. So I'm hoping they have some, because I looked online and didn't see many options. And the ones that I did saw were like $1,500, $5,000. I'm like, for a deep freezer, boo, no, we ain't spending them kind of coins. So hopefully they'll have it in stock, because we definitely need a deep freezer. Do y'all see the ones with the screens on it?
Nah, that ain't a screen. That's just a little thing.
No, that is a screen.
Boy, no, it's not. Boy, it's too refrigerated. I just said.
Excuse us. No, it's some of them that have screens, like the smart screens on it. Is that one it? No, they got them. I know they got them because I seen them online somewhere.
Good morning, Domino's.
It's called a smart refrigerator or something like that.
Yeah, smart refrigerator.
Or is that it? That ain't it either. Is that one right there? How much is this one? $18.99.
Well, let's eat it.
How does that one work? Y'all, they found me a freezer. Yes, yes, yes. And it's on sale. Yeah, we got to do this over. Y'all see this is green. He was going for like a dark blue, like similar to my blue a little bit, but it didn't come out like that. So I'm going to have to redo it. I sat there and let him do it himself.
That's why you said that.
So next time I'm gonna go through it and I'm gonna put some more some better coloring on it so it can come out better. But yeah, we actually found one on sale and we're getting ready to get it right now. What?
Yes, you did.
Yeah,
huh?
you got issues.
I had that right there and right here.
Yeah, I mean you
and
got
right
issues.
here.
You got all the marks. But okay, yeah. So anyway, guys, so we were able to get the last deep freezer they had, and it was on sale. Yeah, it was on sale. So this is our little deep freezer. Maybe the lights need to turn off. There we go. So this is our little deep freezer that we bought from Lowe's. It's 7.5, so it's fairly small, but it's big enough for us. We got like a little few things in there. But this is a big enough size, perfect space, and to do what we need it to do. That's that.